Bundling products can be a great way to boost sales and manage inventory efficiently, and Ordoro makes it simple to set up kits. Here's how you can do it step by step. To create a kit in Ordoro, start by searching for the kit product you want to set up. For this example, we're creating a kit for a 4-pack of DVDs. Click on the product to open the product details page. From there, select Convert to Kit BOM. In the Kit Setup screen, add the component products you want included in the kit. These components represent what will be sent if a single unit of the kit is ordered. Be sure to update the quantity needed for each component if the kit requires more than one of a particular item. Once all components and quantities are added, click Save. After saving, the kit products inventory will display the quantity of the component with the fewest units available. This ensures that the sales of the kit are limited by the component with the least inventory. It's important to note that kits are calculated per warehouse. You can't create a kit with components located in different warehouses. If a component is out of stock in one warehouse, it will affect the availability of the kit only for that specific location. Always double-check your components, quantities, and warehouse setup before saving to ensure the kit is configured correctly and inventory updates accurately. And there you go. Kits are now set up and ready to go. With Ordoro, you can streamline your inventory management and keep bundled products running smoothly.